America wakes up to Google's new selfie login, but at what cost? On Byte-Pulse Nightly, we dive into Google's latest feature and review Topdon's budget thermal camera. Google's introducing a video selfie login, promising convenience but sparking concerns over data privacy and AI training. The feature uses facial recognition to grant access, raising questions about how Google will use and protect this sensitive data. Here is why that matters: your face could become a new password, and a potential security risk. The Topdon TC001 thermal camera is now discounted on Amazon, making it an attractive option for DIYers looking to upgrade their toolkit. While it offers accessible features for home projects, professionals may find its capabilities limited. Here is why that matters: the line between DIY and pro-grade tech is blurring, and budget options are redefining industry standards. If this helped you stay sharp, hit subscribe and the bell. Byte-Pulse Nightly lands every night. Full stories on Byte-Pulse.net. Good night.